Hello, welcome everybody. In this video, are you looking for the best video editing software to take your content to the next level? Whether you are editing on PC or mobile, or whether you are a beginner or a pro, I've got you covered. So let's get started. So section 1, best video editing software for PC. Let's start with the PC video editing software. These are some of the best options available right now. The first one is the CapCut PC version. CapCut has a PC version that provides advanced video editing features while maintaining its user-friendly interface. It's a great choice for content creators, especially for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram videos. Next one is the Camtasia. Camtasia is a powerful screen recording and video editing software developed by TechSmith. It is widely used for creating tutorials, instrumental videos, instructional videos, presentation, and other multimedia content. There is a built-in screen recording, and you can easily edit the screen recorded videos by this video editing software. You can also edit the screen recorded video from your mobile, and you can edit it here. Here in this software, you can do zoom in, zoom out, and the other effects you can apply easily. Next software is the Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the most powerful and widely used professional video editing software, ideal for filmmakers, YouTubers, content creators. It is a professional video editing software used for everything from basic edits to advanced filming. It offers powerful tools for cutting, color grading, audio editing, and more. So now is the section 2, best video editing apps for your mobile. Now, if you are editing on the go, here are the top mobile editing apps you should check out. The first one is the CapCut. It is a powerful yet simple app, great for TikTok and Instagram Reels, with lots of templates and AI powered effects. Next one is the VN video editing apps, video editor apps. This is the free apps which is very good for your mobile video editing soft apps. This is a perfect for beginners. There is no watermarks and easy to use with keyframe animation. Next one is the KineMaster. This is a professional level mobile editor with multi-layer editing, chroma key, and cutting tools. You can do audio editing, color grading, green screen removing, and the other things. But there is a problem in these apps. If you use the free version, the logo will be appeared. So now, which one you should use? It depends on what kind of purpose you want to edit your video. For professional video editing, you need the Adobe Premiere Pro. Or if you want to make a tutorial video for the YouTube, you need the Camtasia software. Or if you are a beginner or if you want to edit your videos in mobile, the VN editor is a good option for you. So there you have it. The best video editing software and apps for PC and mobile. Whether you are a pro or just getting started, there is an option for everyone. Which one do you use or want to try? Let me know in the comments. And if this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video. I'm K. Chaudhuri Rimul. Thank you very much for watching this video.